Hey guys, welcome back to our journey of 365 days of Excel. Today, we are going to cover a very important text function. This has been one of the core functions when I'm doing data cleaning or any kind of formatting within the text. This is very important function. So I want you all people to have utmost importance to the nuances of this particular function. The function name is text. Text. Now, text function converts a numeric value to text and lets you specify the display formatting by using special format strings. Okay. So not only numeric value, it can be used for dates as well. Dates, times. So you can format a particular date or numeric value into a specific formatting as per your requirement. Now, this function is useful in situations where you want to display numbers or a date in a more readable format, or you want to combine numbers with text or symbols. Okay, so let's understand the syntax. So it is written as text. You have the open brackets. Then you specify the value, that could be a date value or a numeric value. And then you provide a format to that particular text, how you want to display that particular text to be. So value in this particular argument as in the text is a numeric value or a date, a formula that evaluates to a numeric value or a reference to a cell containing a numeric value. Yeah. So it could be anything. So this value that we are specifying, it could be directly a value or could be a formula or a function that is evaluated to a value or a reference to a cell which already has a value. And next is the format text. This could involve a text string enclosed in quotation marks. So every formatting has to be included in double quotation marks. Um, so let's understand this particular formats in Excel so that we understand what's happening. So first of all, we need to, if I have to display insignificant zero, if a number has fewer digits, then there are zeros in the format, then you specify zero as one of the format. Ash follows the same rule as, so you have various formats. Let me have those formats. So there are various guidelines to a particular format that we'll see in a subsequent examples. Okay. So you have number formats, you have 1,000 separator formats, you have guidelines for date and time formats. Okay. So we can use MMDDYY as the date formats or hours, HMMSS for hours, minutes, and seconds. We can have special characters for currencies or percentages that could be added. We can have text or added spacing to this particular format. We'll see some of the examples which will help you to understand what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. We'll mostly use the numeric value. So we'll try to use 2008. Let me make it without decimal. So I'll show you what happens. Yeah. So this is 2000. Okay. Let me make it decimal. Okay. Let it be decimal. Okay. Now, a simple text format that we can use is text, open brackets. You select the numeric the cell reference which has the numeric value, and then you specify the format. Now, how do I want to display this text value? So I just want to display only the number, not the decimal. So I'll just encode 0 into it and I'll say enter. You find this? It is automatically getting the 8.8 is automatically getting rounded up to 20,001. Yeah. If I have added one more zero, it will not have any effect. It will remain the same. But if I add a decimal and I add a zero to it, you'll find it is getting rounded up to the first decimal. Yeah. Similarly, I can have multiple decimal points and I say enter. You'll find it is getting formatted according to the formatting that I have specified here. So what I'm specifying as a formatting is I want 2 in the integer space, that's whole number space, and in the decimal space, I could include 5 decimal points. Yeah. I can also add a currency to it. So if I want to make it in a currency format, I can add a dollar before this. Yeah. And I say enter. You'll find that I have added a currency over here. Yeah. If I want to just remove this dollar sign or the decimal point, so you just want to specify the whole number. So you can find it this way. Yeah. So we saw how we can add decimal points, remove decimal points from a particular. So instead of having a dot as the decimal point, suppose I want to have comma as a decimal point and I say 0. Yeah, you'll find this. It is having a comma being separated. So the integer will show you a comma separated thing. I'm really very sorry. Comma is used for showing the separation. So you have this thousands, millions separations. So that's what it's going to show here. So suppose I want to add. So you can find it is comma separated here. So you have millions, you have thousands, you have hundreds. So accordingly, it has tweaked itself. Yeah. So comma is used to show comma separations between various uh, number names. That's thousands or millions or crores that you want to show the how you want to reflect that particular number into. Yeah. I can suppose I have a number like 42370. This is, if you remember, this is a date format. So if I change it to date format, I'll just show you short date. You find this is converted into a date. But in a number format, it looks like this. Now, suppose I want to convert it into a date format which I want it in a specific way. So what I can do is I can use text is equal to text, open brackets. Then I select the number and I specify, suppose I just want the date. So I'll say D, that's for date. And if you press enter, you will get the date. Yeah, that was the date. If you remember, I'll just keep the date aside here so that you understand what's happening. Yeah, so it is giving me the first date, let me make it some other thing. Let me make it 90. See what date is who's giving. Convert it to shorted. You find it? Is it 21st of January 2016? So it is giving me the day as 21. Suppose I want the month, so I'll specify MM. Yeah, it is giving me the month. If I just specify M, it will just give me 1, not 0, 1. Same way for D. Yeah. If I want the exact day, you see this? It is giving me which day it is exactly on 21st. So that is Thursday. If I want the full form of Thursday, yeah, that's how you use to find the day of a particular date, which is in number format. I can do it for month. So this is first. I can, if I put double M, it will give me 01. If I put 3 M's, it will give me Jan in a shorter format. And if I put 4 M's, it will give me the full name of that particular month. Okay. Same way, if I have a year, again, let's see, we do it same way. Yeah, so it is giving me 2016. Again, I'll add one more Y, add one more Y, 3 Ys. See, it is giving me the entire year 2016. Now you can use it in combination. So I can have DD. I want to change the format. So this is the format as of now. I want to change the format. I want to make it DD. I want the month in the full format, and I want the year. Okay. I do not want the forward slash as an operator. I want hyphen as the separation between the day, month, and year. Year it is. So I've changed the format according to my requirement using the formula. Instead of day, if I want the day exact, the weekday. So it is giving me Thursday, January 2016. See this? I can have same thing being done for time. So suppose I have time here in my, let me see if I am able to make the time format. Time, yes. Let me see. Okay. So this is the time format. Uh, Let me change the time to 11:59 and 35:46 a.m. Yeah. So let me have the number is equal to, or let me have the number format of it. I'll just make it number. Yeah. Now suppose I want the hours of this particular number that I have. So what I'll do is same way. Instead of using DDMMYY, I'll use H for hours. You see this? 11 hours. M for minutes. Yeah. So it has to be appearing immediately after hours, or it will consider it as a month. So I need to put it this way. You can see this. So it is giving me the minutes. So if I have to just show you the minutes, I guess that's how it is to be added. So if I have to add it inside curly brackets. Let me see this. No, not this way. So I have to immediately display it after minutes. If I have to show seconds, I'll say S. That will give me the seconds. Yeah. If I have to display AM, so I'll display it like this. Sorry, I have to display HH, MM, SSA. Yeah. I have taken 11, so it should display AM. Okay. So it automatically displays AM based on the 12-hour clock that I have. So it is 11:59, so it is or it will automatically show you as AM. But if it would have been 15 hours, then it would show you as PM, 3 PM. Okay. So this is how you use uh, the text function to convert a particular number or a date if I had to a specific. So I can use this particular formula for the date that I have on A7. So if I place it here, you can see it has converted it into the format that I require. Yeah. And this could be used in various formats. Yeah. Now, if you include any of these characters, so if I include dollar or plus or open brackets, close brackets, uh, colon, or I have apostrophes, or not apostrophe, or the exponential sign. Then you have apostrophes. Then you have opening curly brackets, closing curly brackets, less than sign, greater than sign, equals to sign, minus sign, uh, forward slash, backward slash, uh, exclamation symbol, ampersand symbol, or approximate symbol. Well, so if I have this kind of characters within my uh, this arguments, yeah, suppose I have a less than symbol and greater than symbol within this between this date. You see this? It will not have any effect at all. These characters would be shown exactly as they are entered. Yeah. So this could be used as one of the separators or one of the characters which can be used for formatting and make your text look in a different way. Yeah. So what we are doing here is we are trying to have a combination of this zeros, ones, DD, MM, YY in order to get a specific format of the text, which is in a numeric format. Yeah, so we are trying to format a number into text or date as per the formatting that you specify over here in the format text option of the argument which is available in text. So this is one of the very, very important function which is being used. So suppose I want to show percentages. So 00, I'll say percent. You see this? I have got a percent here. Okay. So this is how you can make your text look in a proper formatting that you want it to look like. Yeah. And there are various ways of formatting. You can just go on Google, search for the various types of formatting that are available within Excel for this text formatting function, and You can there's one more interesting thing that I wanted to show you all people is if I go to the formatting options in number format and you see the custom formats that are available. Yeah, this all can be used in number one. Suppose I use this. Yeah. So this is hash, comma, hash 0.00. So let's use this for this particular uh, text that we have used. So let me put the formatting exactly as what is available there. So hash, comma, hash 0.00. Yeah. So let me use this. So you see this? So it has formatted the text by placing the comma separators for the millions or years, millions or thousands. And also it has added the decimal spaces. Yeah. So there are a lot of custom formatting that are available here, which can be used by you for this DDMM. There are various things you need to explore the way it could be used, how it would look like if I use this formatting, how it would look, what does it mean if I add this particular formatting. So it is more to do with exploring the various options that are available and how that could be fitted into that particular argument in order to get things right. Yeah. So hope I was able to make at least the concept clear regarding this text function, which is very, very important in terms of data cleaning. I use it day in, day out because whenever you get any kind of data for analysis, you will not get it clean. Yeah. Suppose I'm getting data from multiple databases. Uh, SQL may have a different formatting. If you have used Excel, you may know that SQL always gives date in a format like 2000, the year first, month next, and the date afterwards. Whereas Excel may give you date first, month after, and after that you will get a year. So combining all this data together by converting them to number and then converting them back to a specific date format, that is very important. Yeah. So that cleans your data, makes your trend analysis very much easier. But the data cleaning is, if the data cleaning is incorrect, you won't be able to make any kind of interpretation. So text function, I feel, is one of the very, very important functions in Excel towards formatting a number into a specific format that I want it to. It could be number, it could be date as well. Yeah? Hope I was able to make this concept clear about text function. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any of the topics which are utmost important to you for your daily job, and I could get them incorporated in a 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all these videos or nudges about new videos being uploaded to my channel. Yeah. And yes, this subscriptions would keep me motivated towards creating this kind of free content so that everyone shares the knowledge and we can uh, increase the Excel community. Thank you so much.